Welcome to ELIXIR. Knowledge and thoughts are to be shared. Quick revision series. Mind rubrics of Kent repertory continues for AIAPGET, PSC, UPSC, and other competitive examinations in homeopathy. Quick revision series. Repertory. Important rubrics in Mind chapter of Kent repertory. Intolerance, meaning aversion to physical work. Presumptuous means bold and overconfident, and the single medicine for the rubric presumptuous in Kent repertory is lycopodium. I repeat, presumptuous means bold and overconfident. The single medicine for presumptuous is lycopodium. Frivolous, does not pay serious attention to anything. Heedless, inattentive or paying little attention. Covetous, desire to possess something which belongs to others. I repeat, covetous means desire to possess something which belongs to others. Brooding, occupied with things in present. Dwelling means occupied with things in past. Don't get confused with brooding and dwelling. Brooding means occupied with things in present, and dwelling means occupied with things in past. Lamenting, an earnest request for grief. Libertinism means immoral life. I repeat, libertinism means immoral life. Some other important rubrics in Mind chapter of Kent repertory. Refuse to eat, refuse to take medicine, refuse to eat are all rubrics in Mind chapter of Kent repertory. Next important rubric is delayed talking. Delayed walking is seen in extremities chapter of Kent repertory. I repeat, delayed walking is seen in extremities chapter of Kent repertory, and delayed talking is seen in Mind chapter of Kent repertory. And also talking in sleep is also seen in Mind chapter of Kent repertory. So delayed talking, talking in sleep is seen in Mind chapter of Kent repertory. Next important rubric is inclination to sit, but inclination to lie down is seen in generalities chapter of Kent repertory. Please don't get confused. I'll repeat it once again. Inclination to sit is seen in Mind chapter of Kent repertory, and inclination to lie down is seen in generalities chapter of Kent repertory. Next important rubric is dipsomania. Nymphomania is also seen in Mind chapter of Kent repertory, and it's not seen in genitalia. So nymphomania is also seen in Mind chapter of Kent repertory. Other important rubrics which will get confused in Mind chapter of Kent repertory is slow or hasty speech, somnambulism, while feeling in the head. I'll repeat it once again. Other important rubrics which we get confused are slow or hasty speech, somnambulism, while feeling in the head. Rubric like sobbing, sighing are also seen in respiration chapter of Kent repertory. Rubrics sobbing, sighing are also seen in respiration chapter of Kent repertory. Rubric whistling is seen in Mind chapter and also in respiration chapter of Kent repertory. Next important rubric in Mind chapter of Kent repertory is feels better when constipated. This rubric is also seen in generalities chapter. I repeat, feels better when constipated. Rubric is seen in two chapters. That is, this rubric is seen in Mind chapter and also in generalities chapter. The rubrics sobbing, sighing, whistling are seen in mind chapter and also in respiration chapter. Impertinence, meaning rude and without any respect. Unworthy objects seem. The single medicine is China. I repeat, unworthy objects seem. The single medicine is China. Suggestions will not receive. The single medicine is Helonius. Suggestions will not receive. The single medicine is Helonius. Exercise, mental symptoms ameliorated by physical. The single medicine is Calcarea carp. Exercise, mental symptoms ameliorated by physical. The single medicine is Calcarea carp. The last rubric of mind chapter in Kent repertory is wrong everything seems. So that was the important rubrics of mind chapter of Kent repertory. Please do like, share and subscribe our videos. Thank you.